What's the meaning of braid? Braid. Braid.
Braid. Braid. Braid refers to a weaving technique used to interlace 3 or more strands of material like hair, thread, or ribbon to create a complex and decorative pattern. The result is a unique and intricate design that can be simple or elaborate depending on the number of strands used and the skill of the weaver. Braiding is commonly used to style hair or create textiles for clothing, accessories, or decorative items. It is a popular craft enjoyed by people of all ages and cultures around the world and has been practiced for thousands of years.